I've been helping the Capstone IT project where they are building an AI application that uses drone-generated video from a roof inspection to look at defects.
We're working with Centerpoint Connect to develop this technology. Currently we're working with Nate, one of the lead developers at this organization.
One thing I really like about the students and working with them is that you get to see how they solve problems.
We run these classes just like we would if we had clients coming in. We're working with actual solutions to real-world problems.
This can be easily applied for very, very large organizations that want to keep an eye on a huge amount of infrastructure and simplify that process.
We're using all the professional methodologies like Agile project management. They're doing weekly sprints with the client and keeping track of all their progress and getting collaborative feedback from the client as we go through this.
So this is not theoretical. They actually get their hands dirty on everything, and that's what we're pushing for here.
As a student consultant, I have hands-on experience on the previous projects that they've been working on. I'm aware of the previous errors, bugs, and everything that we've encountered in those applications. I can help students with those issues.
I actually get to use my skills in a more real-world setting. Instead of just doing assignments with grades, I'm actually working with company and we're actually developing and pitching ideas to them.
All of the students have now flown these drones. It's been an excellent way of giving the students a hands-on, practical understanding of how the real world can have problems that are solved with AI tools.